Hi, I'm Melissa,
And I'm Maude.
and we're going to teach you about the
Quadratic functions. In a graph of a quadratic function, there is always a parabola and an axis of symmetry. In this graph, the y-intercept goes up by 5 and the x-intercept by 2. In this graph, the parabola is positive since it is going upwards. There are many types of parabola. There's wide parabolas and less wide parabolas.
In the quadratic function, there is a parameter a, and the parameter a has a bit of information on it. So, the further the value of a is from 0, the more vertically stretched the parabola is going to be. So it's going to be less wide. The more the value of a approaches 0, the more the curve is vertically compressed, which means that it's more wide. And positive curves open upwards and negative curves opens downwards.
An example of this. Example, you have y equals negative 10x squared. The line would be more vertically stretched. Example, you have y equals negative 8.83 x squared. The line would be more vertically compressed. If you have another line that is y equals 3x squared, the line opens upwards. And if you have y equals negative 0.25x squared and y equals negative 10x squared and y equals negative 8.33x squared, the line opens downwards. You can check on your calculator to make sure that it is correct.
So now we want to find the rule. So now we're going to go back to the graph in slide 1, and we're going to take one coordinate from that graph, and so I already chose mine, so we're going to use negative 4 and 24, and with that coordinate we are going to solve to get the rule. So now we're going to take our rule and we're going to replace the x and y values by the coordinates that we chose. So now our x is negative 4, so a negative 4 squared, and the y is 24. Now we are going to do negative 4 to the power of 2, and that equals 16. And then it's going to equal 16a, and we're going to bring the 24 down. And now we're going to divide 24 by 16 to get a alone, and a equals 1.5. We always want to give our answer in this form, so f of x equals 1.5x squared.
Now, given the following coordinates, determine the rule for the quadratic function with its vertex at 0, 0. Now pause the video and answer the questions. Pause the video! Now the answer for A, number 1 is a negative 3, meaning that A equals negative 3. And for 2, it's 2/3, also meaning that A equals negative 2/3. Now, if you have any questions, please bring your questions to class. Thanks for watching our video.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Bye, guys.